So here's the sitch. How do you build a balanced snack? So many options, right? But how do you feel your best? This is where I come in. So if we start off strong with, we're gonna pair it with, and I'll tell you why. Great source of protein and fat. You always wanna pair your snack choices with either a carbohydrate and protein, carbohydrate and fat, or switch it all around and you got a protein and a carbohydrate. Two of the macronutrient groups, you're golden. There's lots of options for here as far as balanced snacking, and stay tuned for more.